You deserve to live a lavish, luxurious lifestyle with your home equipped with all the bells and whistles. High-tech modern facilities. So welcome to Modern Modern. Entering the 3-bedroom premium apartment, you are transported from the frenetic, fast-paced world of Singapore into a world of stillness, calm and tranquility. First-class state-of-the-art appliances, 3 regal bedrooms, and superb 5-star en-suites and bathrooms. Guacoland's only choice of architect for Modern Modern was Yip Yun Hong, 4-time award winner of the prestigious President's Design Award. From vast open spaces to very intimate, private, picturesque hideaways, Modern Modern is a very rare botanic garden, your own enchanted paradise. The 2-bedroom and study is high living at its best, with the same elegant fittings and fixtures, upscale appliances, and 5-star quality throughout. Modern Modern in posh District 9 is only 5 minutes away from the upcoming Great World City MRT station, with an underpass connected to Great World City. It's minutes away from the pulsating, trendy areas of Robertson Quay. Cafes, restaurants, the Singapore River, and high-floor units have a view to the iconic Marina Bay Sands. With its excellent accessibility, yet in an exclusive, calm area, you'll love coming home to your opulent, upscale residence. The 4-bedroom premium apartment is affluent living for you and your family. With its huge landscaped grounds, the impressive amenities include a party lawn, a 50-meter infinity lap pool, and state-of-the-art gym and tennis court. Modern Modern is about you enjoying an amazing lifestyle where your home has a true luxury concept. Cosmopolitan and savvy, sophisticated and modern. This is your home, Modern Modern. So give us a call at Crazy Rich Homes and our representatives will be glad to help you. Remember, when you are enjoying the luxurious lifestyle in Modern Modern, we want to come for your housewarming party. You bring the food and drinks and we'll bring the fun.